Good day. I hope all is well on your side. I have a quick thought that I want to share with you. I have the privilege of taking part in a biblical counseling course currently, and tomorrow I'm writing my first quiz. It's just interesting to me how I have attached these Bible verses to the places where I recited them. And on Wednesdays, when I go to listen online to these sermons, there's a break at 8 o'clock for 5 minutes, and these Bible verses flash by, and there's music, and I'm like watching. And I've realized that I even start to cry sometimes. And I think it is because, I think about where I was when I learned that verse. And it's also like, I want to see if I recognize the verse. And another thing is that I think I'm also very grateful to know that I am able to go to all these different places, even if it is only where I live in town. All the different places that I get to see, and to know that God is with me always, and that even if I'm on my own, I'm never really alone. So today I wanted to tell you that you are not alone, even if you are sometimes on your own. So remember that, and remember that I'm gonna read these two verses. Hebrews 13 verse 5, I will never leave you nor forsake you. And Matthew 28 verse 20, I am with you always to the end of the age. So we must also just remember that God is always with us, but we also have a responsibility to do what He asks of us in the Bible. And but if you're also somebody that's maybe single, I just want to encourage you, know that maybe this is a time in your life that you must embrace, and this is time that you have that you can maybe spend more time with the Word of God. You have more time to learn, more time to share, and maybe it is good to renew our minds and see it in a positive light, and know that God has a plan for us in everything. So remember, Jesus and Paul were single too. There's really nothing wrong with you. Have a good day.